Hello my beautiful friends and welcome to Tailor Made Beauty by Kris. Today I thought I would go through the Sephora Favorites Beauty Must-Haves Everyday Bestsellers. We are at the point in the sale where Rouge has been able to shop and I think VIBs can shop now. And this says that it is a $166 retail value. You can pick up the box. It retails for $54, so depending on what kind of discount you get, you can definitely pick it up cheaper than that. This is a very sturdy cardboard box. It would make a very nice gift for any makeup lover on your list or for yourself. It slides in and out, and there are all the products that you get. Who doesn't love a Natasha Denona eyeshadow? And this little three pan palette, I just couldn't resist. You know what? I've got a ton of Natasha stuff, and this looked great, right? Two mattes and a shimmer, neutral colors would really work well for a wide range of skin tones. And let's just, yep, I thought they pick up beautifully. They look great. Oh yeah, great color payout there. So that's a definite winner here. Also, you get a mini of the Grand Lash. I have used this before, and I believe that it has the ingredient that is in Lastis that actually makes your lashes grow. It's not just a conditioning serum. It will actually make them grow. So for me personally, that's going to be a great travel size. You get a full-size beauty blender. These are, did I mention it's packed really well? It's packed really well, right? So cute packaging on this. You know, I mean, if you wanted to even get it, break it apart, use it as stocking stuffers, right? Everything is packaged very nicely for that. And yeah, you know what? Even though I wash my beauty blenders regularly, pro tip, I put them in a lingerie bag and run them through the washing machine. You know, after a while they start getting a little sad, so it's nice to have a new one. Another mini product, or kind of maybe deluxe size, is this Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. And I think it's clear. Let's find out, shall we? Woo! Yes, it is clear. And, oh my gosh, okay, I'm not even looking in the mirror. I am just using my little teeny tiny monitor below the camera. But there you go. It's clear and it holds your brows. So that is wonderful to have. Let's see about this Nars. This is clearly a mini bronzer in Laguna. And I was really curious about the shade because online and even here it looks kind of dark for me, for what I'm used to. So, oh, well, having said that, okay, that, no, actually, it looks way darker in the pan than it does showing up. So, yes, I think even in the winter for me, this will be a nice bronzer to try. I'm happy to have that. I had to do a double take when I saw the mascara. This is the Fenty that comes in this package, and this is the ABH. So, yeah, you can see they look very similar. Having said that, this ABH is way heavier than this Fenty, and I haven't heard much about the Fenty mascara. I'm just going to pop open. Okay, so it is a straight, kind of old school wand. All right. Well, I'll be curious to try that. I always like trying new mascaras. There is a deluxe size. This is 0.84 ounces of the Way Leave-In Conditioner. I have tried this product before. I do like it. Again, this is a really great travel size. This is something I've had in my cart, in and out of my Sephora cart for so long. It is the Dr. Jart, and you know that there is no actual Dr. Jart, right? That's just marketing. The, I don't know if it's Sika Pear? I don't know what it is. Tiger Grass Color Correcting Treatment. So I've heard this is really good for redness. Yes, neutralizes redness, protects skin, improves skin appearance to be vibrant. And this particular one has SPF 30. So I am very curious to try. Oh, all right. It looks, the consistency is like, when I first opened it up, it looks like a face mask. Let me show you. Okay, there we go. You can see it's quite thick. I was not expecting that. But let's see. Let's just, oh, it is very, very thick. Very moisturizing. All right. So, mild scent. Mild. And last but not least is Milk Hydro Primer, a deluxe size of that. And this looks like a kind of watery, yeah, that's pretty watery, but thick. It's not running. Actually, at first I thought maybe this was the eyeshadow primer because who was just going on about it? I can't remember if it was Stephanie Marie or Lisa J. One of them was just going on about the eyeshadow primer, and dang if I don't maybe have to pick that up. Oh, dang it, there's one thing I forgot. First of all, show me some YouTube love. Subscribe, ring bell, like, thank you. There's a full-size Kosas wet lip oil. Sorry, almost forgot that. This time of year, that is really nice. Even though I've got something on, let's just go, oh yes. That, oh, that feels really, really nice. It is not a runny oil. I'm a little bit surprised they call it a lip oil because I would not call this a lip oil. Having said that, it has some of those hydrating, moisturizing, really good feeling properties of a lip oil. But clearly this has more color, and what a pretty color that is. It is, what shade is this? Dip. I believe that is the shade name. Anyway, I think it would look good on lots of folks. Now, there you have it. Do the YouTube things, and most importantly, have a fantastic day.